lasang matcha. So meet the crew sa table na to. Ready na po ang Master Chef.
Okay, Master Chef.
So Bex, Matty, Katie, and si Alan. And ang kalaban namin sa kabilang table.
Ang dalawang cooking ina.
Here we do nasi and mee goreng. 9 main course, 1 something sweet.
Ang hirap naman ng test na to. 9 daw na main course sa isang dessert.
Before we do all that cooking,
So pressure naman. Si Juday tayo ngayon. So maglalagay na po tayo ng apron. Afron. So I think ready na. Yay! So ngayon mag-explain muna si Chef Kumang kung ano yung gagawin namin today.
before the cooking, I would like to say the spice. But before that, here is my name, Mama. Which part is the hottest part from the small chili?
So ito yung exam niya kanina. Kasi tinatanong saan yung pinaka-spicy na part. And actually, I think hindi na sinabi.
Okay, everyone, thank you very much.
So seed nga.
Everyone,
Yung
the
skin.
hottest
Yung
part of the
skin.
chili
Yung white.
is not the seed. It's not the skin. The white splice inside called membrane.
On the membrane, ang pinaka-hottest part
Yeah,
ng
that's the
chili.
hottest part. Start from this. Yeah, put it here. This way you.
Okay.
Thanks. Yeah, using the glove when you chop turmeric and chili. Not now.
Ito yung task ko today is mag-cut ng... Oh.
Katabi mo na ang
So, nakaka-pressure naman si ate. Tapos na yung onion. So next is ang bawang. Paano?
Lengthwise.
Yeah?
Like that.
Like this ba din? Tapos na rin.
Hindi kuya, kuya tumulong ka na rin.
Nasugat! Ah, oh my God, nakat ko isa. Yung dinuguan, nilulutuin namin. Ay, tita.
Talagang hindi ka nagluluto.
Oo nga.
Minasugat.
Oo. Pinaghirapan ko pag-chop, so dapat masarap.
Nawash mo na mabuti.
Nawash ko. Nagsabon. Ready ka na kumain ng dinuguan. So pinapatawag na kami ng chef at sa next step na gagawin namin. Mag-grind kami ng mga chinap namin kanina. So ngayon pinapakita niya kung paano i-grind yung chinap namin kanina. Yung proper way paano. Akala namin ginaganon na. Kailangan play ganun. Our time to shine. Go, Kate!
What is? Is that what?
Naririnig ko yung bato. Ang hirap pag manalo.
Malapit bahay tayo sa kabilang table kung kumusta na sila here. Yung mga cooking ina.
Isang pasado lang to, pwede na.
5 minutes ago.
5 minutes daw more.
Ayan, dapat matapos yan.
Pinakita niya sa amin kung ano yung dapat magiging kalabasan ng ginawa namin. Parang nilang sa nature bullet.
1 hour.
Pinap. Stop.
Sabi ni Chef Kumang, ako na nandun yung taga-video. Sila na lang daw yung mag-prepare everything. So,
Swap the chicken to the other.
In outside namin.
Yung same na pitch mo sa bahay.
ayun na.
Seasoning, salt and pepper. And the person having to massage in the chicken.
So, sa stuff mo pala ang chicken.
No, underneath the skin.
Sabay maluto ang breast at saka thigh. Kasi mas nauna ang breast maluto.
Give them.
So, sa breast area pala daw.
Raise
na
the
yan,
skin so it's easier.
i-raise daw ang skin sa may breast area para lagyan yung stuffing.
Raise the skin with your other hand.
Para mukhang masarap.
everyone, we are going to use enroled olive, yeah? Because the spice have oil also in there. So we do it like this, everyone. Same thing. And then push down here, please.
So ano yung ginawa ni Kate? Tama yun. Pretty. So kami yung panalo.
Same thing, everyone.
Sa table namin and officially magkukook na kami. So magkukook na pala sila.
Ikaw, no?
No, kasi nga injured me.
Injured.
Yep, ready.
Okay.
Ginger daw daw. So ginger and pork. Lo! Oh! Lo! Umi!
I don't think enough yung oil na nilagay.
Why there's no fire?
Let's do it.
Well, not enough. Okay.
Okay, so you...
The full one.
Okay, soy sauce?
In.
What is it?
Yeah, in.
Black pepper daw.
Black pepper, your job is a sous chef, not chef.
Sous chef ka lang.
More.
So si Kate, they're having 7 na ba?
Okay.
Nakapagod pala maging chef. So yung ginawa namin, ngayon lang, kailangan mag-antay ng 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. Alright, I think pwede na siya kainin. So try namin.
This one.
Thank you.
1, 2. This is a sandwich.
Smart.
Dapat daw dalawa para sandwich.
Kumain din.
Good.
Kumain din.
Masarap. Very good.
Kasi na.
Dapat tunga mo sa taas, be.
Super sarap niya. Okay daw? Hi, Chef Kumang. I think we're cooking the main event, the nasi goreng.
Yeah, the last dish. Me and nasi goreng.
Yeah, the me and nasi goreng.
When they turn on the flame in maximum heat, please.
Oh! Well done! We are so ready na magkumain. Kasi nakakapagod, ang dami namin ginawa. Pero mukhang masarap. But nakakapagod lang kumain. Buti na lang si Mati yung gumawa. So guys, ito na nga. Ready na nga yung pagkain namin na niluto namin kanina.
Talaga naman yung niluto.
Oo, kainin talaga namin yung niluto namin kanina.
Hindi yan yung gawa natin kasi pretty.
Tikman natin daw. Ang sarap mag-mix, magmasa. May fragrance siya kasi sa banana.
Nanginig ko may ito. Bakit na ka ganun?
So it's our last day in Bali. Nandito kami ngayon sa Seasalt. Sarap ng hangin.
Petitinget Beach.
Sa Petitinget Beach. Yan, naantay namin yung sunset. Very beautiful ng Bali.
Pag hindi traffic.
Super relaxing here.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog.
So hi guys, this is my vlog now. Happy vlog takeover.
See you sa next vacation namin. Bye-bye.